Hi, my name is MJ and I am the social media consultant for Flavor Purveyor, and today I'm going to show you what to do if you get one of these in the mail. We're going to make a bubble tea kit at home, just like you would. First thing you're going to want to do is open it. There is everything you need in here to make a delicious bubble tea at home. We've got our card, which is very important because it has all the instructions on how to do this. We've got a bag of tapioca. This is our quick cook pearls. We've got our royal milk tea. This is gonna be like the base of our drink. You're gonna get 2 straws, stainless steel. These are great for sipping up the chewy tapioca, and they're also dishwasher safe. And 1 straw cleaner, which we'll put in the sink and we'll use after we make our bubble tea. Awesome, let's get to making it. Okay, first things first, we're gonna brew our royal milk tea. So good. So the first thing we're gonna do is take a heaping teaspoon of the royal milk and put it into our tea basket. Now this one we sell on our website, but you don't have to have that one. You can use any tea strainer you have on hand. And I like mine strong, so I'm gonna do a little bit more. Perfect. And we're gonna put this in a glass. So we're gonna fill a kettle with water and bring it up there in temperature. It doesn't need to be boiling actually. 205 degrees Fahrenheit is actually the perfect degree for this tea. And we're gonna steep it for 2 to 3 minutes. But if you don't have like a thermometer or you don't wanna be that specific about your tea, just get it up there in temperature and wait till it bubbles a little bit, then take it off and pour it over. So now we're gonna take our water and we're gonna pour it over. I'm gonna pop this lid on, and then we're gonna leave it for about 3 minutes. You can set a timer, or you can just do a little dance around your kitchen to wait for it. Okay, so our timer is up, and you can see that our tea has turned a nice like golden amber brown, and I'm gonna strain this, and then I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator to chill. You don't have to do this, I just like to do it so it doesn't melt the ice. Now we're gonna move on to making the tapioca pearls. So we're gonna take a pot, and we're gonna fill it up about halfway with water. You want one with the top because it'll help the tapioca cook better, but it's not necessary. Perfect. So we're gonna bring this over here and we're gonna turn the heat up to high. And then when it starts to boil, we'll add the tapioca pearls. So once this starts to boil, we're gonna take 1/4 cup of tapioca pearls and drop them in. And then once they float to the top, we're gonna put the cover on and we're gonna leave them for 5 minutes for chewy tapioca and 10 if you like them softer. Looks like they're floating, so let's put the top on. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes, so I'm gonna turn this off. And I'm gonna get my strainer and my bowl ready for the tapioca to go into. We're gonna take the tapioca and we're gonna strain it, and then we're gonna rinse it with cold water. And we can just keep them in here until we're ready to use them. Cool. Now that we have all the parts, let's assemble the glass. And then you can use whatever you have on hand to sweeten it. You can use sugar or brown sugar. I like to use honey, but if you want to make a simple syrup out of either dark brown sugar or out of regular sugar, you can. You can even get the simple syrup from the grocery store, but I'm going to use honey. Let's pour some right in the bottom there, just for a little sweetness. A tablespoon or 2 of anything that you like should do it. I'm gonna mix them around in there. Now I'm gonna layer in some of our royal milk tea that we brewed earlier. We're gonna fill the rest of this up with any milk that you choose. It can be whole, 2%, soy, oat, almond, it doesn't really matter. I prefer oat milk, so that's what I'm gonna use. Fill whatever space is left with ice. We're gonna finish this off with one of our straws. Now you're ready to drink your boba at home, and it only took about 10 minutes. That's good. Thanks for making boba with me today. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you get yours and you can make it at home yourself. Cheers.